Hi guys, it's your boy Lindo from Buyeasy. Welcome to another episode of unboxing. Today we're going to be showing you some cool ways to put the product together. Unboxing one of our kitchenware products that is most used by people that are baking or either ladies that are always in the kitchen. So guys, without wasting time, let's get right into unboxing it. Alright guys, so today I brought you one of these, the rotating cake stand, the stainless steel. Check it out guys, looks quite cool. So most of you guys, when you see one of these, maybe like when you purchase this guy, you will actually get confused because you're looking for a cake stand and then probably you'll find lots of pieces. So we're going to be doing some fun game, which is completing a puzzle. Actually, it's not a puzzle, but we're going to be putting this guy together to make it a cake stand. So, because when you're buying it, sometimes you get it separately like this. So you need to know how to put things together. So, without wasting time, let's just do it together. Alright, so first of all, guys, you need to take these guys out. See how they look like. This is super shiny. I'm really loving it, guys. So you need to put this guy over here like this, and then take out the second one. So I'm not very sure whether you guys can actually see it, but I'm just gonna adjust my camera for you guys to actually see what's happening on this table. So can you see it? This looks better. So we need to also have the second part, which is this guy, and it goes on the top like this. Alright, already if you take a look at these guys, they fit together this way, even if the screws or anything that needs to be connected in order for it not to be moving but steady is showing us that they were meant to be a perfect piece together like this. Right, so let's just take out the big guy. So this is our stand, guys. Just show you how to do it. So you need to pick this guy, place it on the top like this. Be careful, guys. So when you're doing this, you need to pay much attention to it as well. Right, so there we go. So our cake stand should look like this, all right? But this cake stand, it's still not steady, so we can't even try to have it rotating. So there are some piece of things that are missing here that we need to fill up. So when I brought one of these, they had this, okay? So this is a bolt and screw. Just take this one off so I can show you how it looks like. So the bolts and screw looks like this, okay? So this is the bolt and this is the screw. So both of these guys, they come together. They are a couple, so you can't separate these guys. If you separate this guy, that means that what you're trying to do or your puzzle won't be completed. So I just want to take out this guy. Just want to show you something, guys. So on this guy, there's this space here. So with the space, guys, make note that you need to put the balls like this, and then push it down like this. Make sure that it fits in all the holes, and then like this. And then another thing that you need to do is also put on the screw, pin it, try and screw it over. You're almost done. So as you're screwing it, just make sure as you're busy screwing the bolt, you make sure that it gets tight, but not super tight, but tight. All right, so that your cake stand will be steady. You see, so nothing is falling into pieces. So now it looks complete. It should be able to look like this. And take a look at this part. You see, everything is nice and neat. You won't even tell that it was done by me, which makes me a genius, guys. So you can also be one too. Hey, another thing, take a look at this part here underneath. Super cool, hey? Technology is growing nowadays, guys. So this is our complete make of the cake stand. So for you guys out there, you can also get one of these. It's also available on our website. Just visit the www.buyeasy.com and you'll be able to make a choice of yours. We have a variety of these guys, but this one I'd like to get for my house as well. So I'm taking this one home, guys. So if you want to hit us with a comment, just send us your comment. Hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channels. And don't forget, guys, send us any inquiry that you have, and one of our trusted consultants will be able to reply to you as soon as possible. And for other product-related services, don't forget, it's www.buyeasy.com. And you will be able to get our WhatsApp line, which is the business line, the 073 328 6644. And as for me, guys, Lindo, thank you for tuning in. Peace out.